In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Photopea. We're keeping it simple, fast, and effective so you can design a crisp thumbnail that stands out on any screen. Start by opening your browser and heading to photopea.com. Photopea is a free, browser-based editor that works a lot like Photoshop, so you don't need to install anything. Once it loads, go to the top menu and choose File, then New. A new document window will appear. Set the width to 1280 pixels and the height to 720 pixels, which is the standard 16 by 9 size for YouTube thumbnails. This ensures your design looks sharp and fits perfectly. Keep everything in pixels and the default resolution is fine. Click Create and you'll see a blank canvas ready to go. Now let's build the background using layers. Look to the Layers panel on the right. Every element you add will appear here. For a clean start, you can fill the background with a solid color or a subtle gradient. Pick bold, high-contrast colors that match your channel's style and help your text pop. If you prefer an image background, place a photo onto the canvas and stretch it to fill the space. A slight blur or darkening can make your foreground text easier to read. Rename this layer to keep things organized, and if you're happy with it, lock it to prevent accidental moves. Next, add your images. Drag them in or place them through the File menu, and each one will appear as a new layer. Use the Move tool to position and transform to resize so your subject is large and clear. Keep important elements away from the very edges so they don't feel cramped. If you need to hide parts of a photo, use a layer mask for a clean, adjustable crop. Arrange layer order in the panel by dragging them up or down so key visuals sit above the background. Finally, add your text. Select the Type tool and click on the canvas to type your title. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font, go big with the size, and keep the message short. Strong contrast is crucial. Light text on a dark background or vice versa. To enhance readability, add simple layer styles like a stroke outline or a soft drop shadow. Position your text so it doesn't block faces or important visuals, and align everything so it feels balanced. That's it, your YouTube thumbnail is ready, designed with layers for easy tweaks and a professional finish.